Happy Thursday, everyone. It is May 6th, 2021. Taking a look at Cardano. Cardano's had a really nice move higher. It spiked up. It's created a new all-time high. Has it technically broken out of this range? We'll have to wait for the actual close of the daily candle. But the volume is great. Volume is good. But we want to see it sustained. But man, there's something going on here with this, isn't there? If you look at the hourly chart, you can see that around 2 p.m. Eastern time, a couple hours after the New York lunch hour, there's a pretty sizable drop here. We went from 162 at the open, dipped as low as 150 even, which was a pretty good dump, about a 7% drop. And then fast forward to now, it's 3:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we've retraced a good chunk of that move, but now we're kind of stuck here on the hourly. And when I do Bitcoin's video after this, you'll see why. So this breakout here, it doesn't look like it's sustained. And so far, it doesn't look like it wants to stay sustained. It looks like we'll see some weakness coming forward, and that's where that dip moving forward is important, because if we do get that drop from the all-time high, where does that drop us? If we do a 50% wipe, which is something cryptocurrencies do a lot of, and we haven't seen that lately in the entire market, but a 50% wipe from the all-time high at 170.78, a 50% drop brings us right inside, right at the kind of bottom of our support range that we've talked about, between 84 and 94. That 50% drop puts us right inside that zone, which is pretty awesome and not a coincidence either, I don't think. I've got limit buy orders sitting down there as always. I also have some limit buy orders at 30% below, at 118, 40%, and then I've also got between 60 and a pretty sizable chunk at 70. But the 60% wipe, do I think that's very likely? No. But certainly we could see that play out. Just watch the market and pay attention very closely to how it moves by the end of the day, and especially as we transition into a new day. So primary support zones, again, 84 to 94 is the level I see as our primary support range. Moving ahead, looking at the daily and using fib projections, really it's not much of a change from what we've looked at over the last couple of weeks. 176 might be a stopping point temporarily. That's the 100% extension from this last swing. Above that, 2.21, and ultimately the 2.4 to 2.6 range is where we are looking at our next important price range. So pay careful attention to all of those, especially to Cardano and how it works as we're transitioning into a new day. And as we get towards the end of the week, the weekend can cause a lot of havoc. We all know that. So keep your eyes on the market, set some alerts. Don't let things surprise you. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.